Hello everyone, today is December 29th, Friday, and I didn't plan on trading today or making a video, but I did take a couple of trades, and I wanted to show you on the new BWT Core Levels, which won't be available until we complete testing, which will be probably, the first quarter of next year. In any case, a couple of announcements. There will be a price increase in the cost of the Autotrader. We'll be adding the core levels, and it's probably going to go back to pricing the way it was a year ago. We experimented with lower pricing, and it's going to fall somewhere, considerably higher than it is now. We believe our software offers a lot of value, so there will definitely be a price increase. I don't know exactly what it's going to be after the first of the year. I'm going to give until, say, the first week of January for anybody that wants to get into the current pricing, which is $9.95 for an annual license and $7.50 renewal. There may be some other pricing options, but I'm not sure yet. So if you want to get the best price on the Autotrader, get it before the first week in January. There will definitely be some changes in our pricing structure, but we are going to bring much more value to the Autotrader. That said, in our future plans are to have a trading room where we teach using our core levels to help you to trade, and a little bit about the core levels. I'm going to bring over a 1-minute chart because this is a Superinco 12, which is my base trading chart for the way I trade, and I'm going to bring over a 1-minute chart just to show the levels a little more clearly. And so the BWT Core Levels, they plot based on the London Open, and there's another group of settings that'll plot the levels for the overnight session. But anyway, they first plot for the first hour of trading, and this is the open of the regular session at 9:30, and blue is your core median line level, and this is upper mid, this black is upper mid, and this is lower mid, and then this is first high level, and then the first low level, and then these are the extended levels here. And then once you get to the first hour of trading at 10 o'clock, the levels recalculate. I mean, the 10:30, after the first hours, the levels recalculate based on whether price could stay above or below the open or above the median here. And then, so after the first hour, you see we got our key sell level here at 17,068, which is this red line, and price came down and could not get back above here. And then once you see that it came to this level here, it accelerated quickly to the downside, and then this indicator here is the day balance, which plots on the chart, and this indicator has a high and a low and a midpoint. And so this acceleration down, if you sold at the blue line, you would have entered at 1791, and you came all the way down to 16,939, a very substantial move. But even if you sold here, there were plenty of good trades trading from the sell level. Now, if you look at my chart where I started trading, and of course, I usually don't start trading till later in the day, the time of the first trade here was about 1:38 Eastern, and this is what I was looking at on the chart. If we go to 1:38 Eastern, the market had already sold off and made a bottom. This little diamond dot here is the low, and then there was a higher low here, this test at 12:30, and I was watching from about here, and there was another higher low here, and this is about where I started trading. Is on the 1-minute chart here, we had a nice divergence right here, and the precision oscillator got above blue. Not that I was looking at this, but basically I was looking for a break above this 1706 level. This was sideways action for quite a long time, just going back and forth here. And then finally it broke above this level, and you can see my first trade started right about here where it broke above this this choppy area, and then came up right to the lower extension and met quite a bit of resistance here. It traded at this level. In fact, it came out here right to the tick, and it basically hugged this level until the end of the day, and then faded into the close. But anyway, here's the trade. I had a $500 goal on this, and I entered here with a horizontal trend line, and then again 2 more trend lines. So I had a total of 3 contracts here, and trail stopped out, and then after this pullback in this first up bar, I entered again with 2 contracts, and then this hit its $500 goal, and then there was another trade on this chart that got a little bit more. So anyway, I'll just say that this hit its $500 goal, and once again, really impressed with the core levels and their ability to show us trades. I think the way we've calculated this is truly unique. This is not a copy or a takeoff on someone else's levels. This is some truly original stuff that was developed by BWT and another trader that's joined our group. And I'll be introducing him to everyone in due time. We do plan to have a trading room. We will have a full manual explaining how these levels work, and this is all going to happen sometime after the first of the year, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Really, really excited about all this. In any case, I want to thank everyone for supporting Blue Wave Trading in the year 2023, and of course all the years before that. We have a global following of traders around the world. Blue Wave Trading's been in business for over 20 years, and I created this software about 20 years ago. And this is still the core algorithm that was created way back when. We've just improved the features over time, such as, our configuration panel inside the chart that makes it really easy to change parameters on the fly. And then, of course, our trade manager here. And most recent addition is our trend line entries, which I'm hoping some of you have found useful, but I certainly have. In any case, looking forward to a great 2024 with our Discord community and our new added features to the Autotrader that we will have very soon. Wishing you all a happy holiday and a happy new year, and we'll see you in the first trading week of the new year.